Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you are good. I got my magazine today and I have to tell you a story about this magazine. I saw somebody show this magazine on their YouTube channel and I'm like, I want that magazine. So I went to Barnes & Noble 3 times, Joann's 3 times, never seen it. Found it on eBay, bid it on it. I was the one bidder and in the last minute somebody outbid me and actually paid 35 bucks for this. Okay? I mean, if you bought it in the store, let's see. We paid, they don't have the US price on here. Okay. So I was looking around again and I found it on Paper Wishes for $9.99, $4.99 shipping. I was so excited because I really wanted this one. I liked the whole concept of it. So you ready to see it? You got 63 stamps plus an embossing folder. It's issue 91. It is from like January or December, if I believe correct. I know it's because I thought it was a new release and it wasn't. And that's why I was not finding it in the stores because it was an older release. I thought it was recent and it wasn't. So, you get, of course, the magazine. And this is such a cute stamp set. That's why I liked it. Can't give. Isn't it? Come on, plastic. There we go. The stamps are just awesome. So this is the embossing folder. It says Crafty Friends, Handmade Cards, Happy, Soul, Love, Paper, Craft Life, Glitter, Inspire. That's cool. Awesome. Look at these stamps. This is what I liked about it. I like you more than crafting, and that's a lot. You get love, made with love, a little plain splatter, flower, a little ink bottle, some more ink bottles, the glass mat thing, the little cup with the paintbrushes in it, flowers, the paint tube, color makes life a little bit brighter, the paint palette, a paintbrush, it says happy, hand, crafted for you by, sending crafty hugs, buttons, flowers, ink pad, a pen, the tip of the pen, sewing machine, scissors, have a crafty birthday. And then up here it says crafting forever, housework, not whatever. I craft so hard I sweat glitter. I love that. We are cut out to be friends. A little like I don't know what that's supposed to be. To me it looks like Cool Whip. A cherry, create. Look at a big shot. Cute. A tray with some flowers, a camera, the letters. Maker's gonna make. And then it says, you bring color to my world. So that's the stamps, guys. 60 different stamps. I thought it was so cute. So let's check out the magazine. I mean, look at it. Isn't that cute how they did that? So, magazine gives you certain ideas on certain stamps, stamps coming out, stamps you can find, and then it gives you the stamps, the ideas with the stamps that you get with the magazine. So look how they did that. Let me bring you guys down so you kind of see how they did it alongside of it. It shows you how to do it. And then you have the card, and then you have that, how they did that going around with all the little images. And over here, the scissors. And then, okay, I got it. I was wondering what to do with that. They put that on top of the cup, stamp it, so it looks like this. Ha! So it is like the foam or whipped cream. That's cute. I don't know. See, sometimes you need a magazine to show you. Daisy Made Designs. And it shows you where even if you don't have these stamps that they're using in this card, maybe you have something similar. And here's another how they did it. The box and all the cameras, or like just stamped them all. Shows you kind of how to use different things. Painting with white gouache. I don't know, gouache. love how they did like a wreath. So cool. Okay, so I've bought a magazine for a long time. Look at how they did the cup. That is so cool too. Banners. I love to create. I have a favorite art. A banner. A door holder. The wreath. And then it shows some more. Somebody else's inspiration. I mean, I got little monsters stamps. And that gave me an idea I could do with my little monster stamps. Here's some doing it in light colors with the same stamps. And look at it. Steampunk. That's cool. I have a hard time. You guys have a hard time doing a guide card? These were perfect guide cards right here. So that's cool. Here's them with the stamps again and different using the embossing folder. This right here on the back. That's cool. Arteza in here. And some other. It's a nice magazine. I love the magazines. I really admit that. I do. I usually try to buy one a month. It's the first one I bought in a long time. Look at watercoloring. There's that. How they did that. Craft a Rainbow, it's called. Look at they did the dots. The little pop-up card with circles. The ink with little ink bottles and paintbrushes. And have a crafty birthday. I said crafty, not crappy. Crafty. And there we go. So that, I was so excited I was able to find it. All these, I just love the Big Shot. I think the Big Shot is my favorite thing. I could see stamping that out and putting a little, like, there's the plate for the Big Shot, guys. I want to see something here. Okay. Oh, it is, well, maybe. Yep, it's just one stamp. I thought maybe if it was 2 stamps, but you could easily do the stamp. Take a little piece of paper, cut it, stamp on that, and set it on top so it looks like it's the paper that you're going to roll in. There's a stamp itself right here. It's cute with some flowers or foliage in it. So I just thought it was, I love the little sewing machine as well. I do have a sewing machine stamp, but I thought it was just so cute of the little elements in the stamp set. Like the ink, like to me that's like the glass tray or Tim Holtz thing where you know, the stamp, where you put your stamps down and bring it up and put it down. You know, just the paint brushes, the paint palette. To me, I see a lot of potential with this set. I think it's so cool. So I want to thank you guys for watching, taking the time, and as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody, and have a good day. See you on the next one.